Most businesses are obsessed with getting ranked up on their Google business profile. They're obsessed with that getting number one and being right up there. And if you've got the maps, you want to be on one, two, and three. And I believe in that. We are an SEO agency. But one of the biggest challenges that they're missing is that when people are coming to their Google business profile, they're leaving because the words you're using suck. Now, I know that's pretty harsh, but your business profile, you're going to spend so much time, effort, money, and energy in getting your Google business profile to be ranked in the number three, the three top searches in maps. But if your message is not clear, they're going to come and they're going to leave. So what do? Well, what you want to make sure you've done, number one, is that you've used the StoryBrand messaging framework, whether you've done a StoryBrand brand script or you've gone to the StoryBrand AI and used that. It's a very basic way of doing it. I don't recommend it yet, but it's getting better all the time. It will lay an amazing foundation for your future. But you want to bring that clarity over to your Google business profile. But then, is that enough to get you ranking in the top one, two, or three positions on maps? Probably not, but it is a definite start. You see, Google search is becoming so advanced now where it's actually not just looking at the keyword, it's looking at the structure of everything that you do. Is your message clear? Is the information you bring something that people want? It's not just about the keyword, it's actually almost thinking so that you're getting that it's bringing the right people to the things that you cover. But if your profile is confusing, if it's vague, if it has no call to action, if it's not kept up to date, people will come there, then they will leave. If it's not converting, if you're ranking but you're not getting phone calls or messages, what use is all that money that you're spending on SEO? Our team, when we work on somebody's Google Maps and we're doing local SEO for them, we're not just getting all of the citations, we're not just updating their features, we're not just updating the products and the services that they do and all of those things that should be done in search and should be done in a local SEO program. We're also ensuring the message that is on the profile, the message in the posts and the updates that you're putting together for your Google business profile are on brand and are consistent with the message that you want to bring to the market. So that when they come to your profile in Google, they go, yes, this is exactly where I want to be. This is exactly what I need. Now, in that, do you have a funnel? What's the funnel? What's the process that you're using for Google Business Profile? Most of the businesses don't understand that they should have some kind of funnel in place, even in the Google Business Profile. Most SEO experts are focusing on, traffic, but they're not focusing on conversion. Conversion is so much more powerful when you understand what to do. And that's where having a funnel in your Google business profile matters. What could that funnel look like? Well, when they either phone you or they send you a message, what's the process that happens after that? In our experience, what we found is twofold. One is what's a tripwire funnel, or the second one is an application funnel where they apply to work for you. Now, work with you, sorry. Bringing those kind of ideas into your Google business profile will totally transform the way that the results and the conversions that you're getting. But it needs to be a strategy. It needs to be a process, and there needs to be investment. Now, thinking about it this way, gone are the days where you could just do anything on Google and it'll just show up. Online is just like offline. In the old days, when I was saying the old days, probably 15 years ago, we all had those yellow books, the yellow pages, right? Businesses would spend $10, $20, $30,000, 10 or 15 or even 20 years ago to get a page, one page in the yellow pages. I want you to think the same thing now, but it's online. Your yellow pages today, for those of you that are old enough to know what the yellow pages are is your Google business profile, and you need to treat it the same way. This is the place to be investing. If you are a local business, your Google business profile cannot be ignored. You cannot ignore it. But clear messaging to stop buyers from scrolling past you is going to be the number one thing. Your business description should be updated with your brand script. Focus on customer-centric language. Make sure you've got call to actions. You're answering FAQs in there. Use consistent messaging across everything. I would also recommend that if you're not doing this with your local search area, is making sure you're geotagging the photos that you're putting up. You know, getting the keywords out there, the reviews happening. You want 5-star reviews coming out everywhere. And this is where StoryBrand comes of its own when you talk about StoryBrand SEO. StoryBrand SEO should be utilized in everything that you do. Your message becomes clearer. Your people will convert more. So when you're bringing your strategy to the market, when you're bringing your socials, when you're bringing your Google business profile, and you're updating all of those things, Google is becoming more and more and more intelligent every single day. Now, the updates are happening faster and faster and faster. Every single day it's becoming more intelligent, and it's not so much about keywords, but keyword topics. It's about clusters. It's about trending. And an investment of time, energy, and money into your Google business profile gives you a return. If you need help with getting your Google business profile ranking in the top 3 on Google Maps, then we should talk. And not just Google, but Apple as well. We should talk. Get in contact with us. Leave a comment below. Ask as many questions as you like, and subscribe to our channel. God bless. We're here to help you. We're here to serve. Remember, getting your SEO working with StoryBrand SEO, it is the time to do it right now. Don't miss out. Get in there, spend some time. We have lots of videos coming your way on how to do this as well. God bless.